Hey guys, what's up? Brandon here. So I got a good little tip for you today. I don't know about you, but for me, when I cut off baits or I'm retying a crankbait or whatever it is, I throw that bait down on the deck of my boat, and that bait tends to bounce around a lot. I can step on it. It's just in the way. I don't really want to put it back because I'm fishing. Well, today I have a good little tip and a good little part that you can buy that is going to make that a little bit easier for you. Alright guys, so what I'm talking about here is the Pittsburgh Automotive dish. It comes with a magnet on the bottom and this rubber little cover, so it doesn't actually stick to anything if you don't want it to. If you want to screw something in the bottom of it and just have the dish itself magnetic, then you can do that. But what I've done, I've actually taken the rubber piece off and the magnet, and I bought this 3-pack of these 100-pound strength magnets. If you've seen in my last video, the GoPro mount, I bought the 3-pack of these 100-pound strength magnets. I've used one for my GoPro mount. I'll leave the link above for that if you haven't seen that. And then this 100-pound strength magnet, I stuck to the bottom of this. So making that whole dish magnetic. And then I've taken the other one of these and I've actually stuck it below, underneath the fiberglass in the corner of my boat, which sticks to this piece and holds this whole tray in place in the corner of my boat. So from there, I can actually take my baits and I can stick them in there. And then I don't have to worry about them going anywhere. They're suctioned to that magnet, and then I don't have to worry about stepping on them, then blowing out of the boat, whatever it is. They're in the spot that I know they're at, and they're out of the way. So, I mean, for 20 bucks for all this, it's $5 dish, and then about 15 for the 3-pack of magnets. That's a really cheap deal to keep these things a spot you know where they're going to be and out of the way. And as always guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below and I'll catch you next time.